Here I have this phone stand with a wireless Bluetooth speaker. This phone stand is nice and compact, making it easy to bring with you if you're traveling. It can adjust to different levels if you want your phone upright, or if you want to set it at an angle, you can do both. Let me grab my phone so I can show you. So here I have my cell phone. I can put it up like this if I want it to be more flat in front of me, or angle it that way as well. One of the best features about this phone stand is the wireless speaker that it has. I'm going to long press the on button. So now that it is on, maybe you can see, but there are lights here at the bottom. Once you have your phone connected, you can short press the on button to play your music. You can turn it down or up with the plus button. Or you can switch the song by pressing the plus button for a short period of time. You can go back in songs by short pressing the minus button. Just like that. You can even answer calls with this speaker by pressing the on button. There's a light button here on the side. Let's see, with all the sunlight, you can kind of see the lights here, but you can even turn those off if you need, or change the settings on them. All in all, this is a wonderful speaker and phone stand. It can even hold the weight of an iPad, so let me show you that too. Here I have an iPad, and it can support the weight of that with no problem. Again, you can adjust it however you need. Super amazing. I'm impressed. I am so excited for this product, and you will be too. Go check out this phone stand with a wireless Bluetooth speaker today.